Software licensing is a method used by developers and vendors to control access to their software, typically by requiring a valid license key, restricting usage to a trial period, or verifying user identity through online activation. Licensing mechanisms help prevent unauthorized use, enforce terms of service, and ensure proper monetization of software products. From a research and educational standpoint, analyzing how licensing systems are implemented can provide insight into security, software protection, and anti-piracy techniques. This is where reverse engineering tools come into play. Tool 1. GIDRA Static Analysis. Goal: find license check logic and understand it. Step by step. 1. Import the binary into GIDRA. Second, let it analyze the binary. Tick all boxes during analysis. 3. Use the strings window to search. Keywords like license, activation, invalid, trial expired. 4. Right-click a string. References. This shows where it's used. 5. Go to those functions and analyze. Look for comparisons. icmp, icmp. Follow function calls and trace the control flow. Now you understand it's a simple key check. In real world, it might be a hash or encryption. What GIDRA helps with? Analyzing without running code, understanding logic, algorithms, and flow, spotting anti-debugging or obfuscation. Tool 2, X64DBG Dynamic Analysis. Goal: observe runtime behavior and how license decisions are made, step by step. 1. Open the binary in X64DBG. 2. Set breakpoints on functions like strcmp, getSystemTime, regQueryValueXA, etc. You can also break at the main or winMain function. 3. Run the app with invalid and valid keys. Watch how the program reacts. Does it jump? JE/JNE? Does it read the registry or datetime? Now you know exactly where it makes the decision. Extra tips. Use memory dump to see encrypted or encoded keys. You can patch conditional jumps, NAG to JMP, to test alternative paths. Tool 3, FRIDA Runtime Instrumentation. Goal: inject code at runtime to monitor or alter license logic. This lets you monitor actual key values, see decision logic, test what happens if you force a valid return. FRIDA is ideal for black box testing, runtime hooking on Windows, Linux, Android, iOS, ethical testing without modifying the binary. Tool 4, IDA Pro plus Hexrays. Same concept as GIDRA, but more mature for analyzing malware-packed files, understanding obfuscation and flow graphs, using community plugins like Flare, BinDiff. Use this when GIDRA doesn't resolve code flow well, or if you need Hexrays decompilation. Tool 5, Radar 2/Cutter. Ideal for CLI fans, cross-platform disassembly, quick string dasher function search, plus call graphs, lightweight use cases. Tool 6, HIEW/hex editor/binary patching. If you're doing patching. Tools: HIEW, hex editor with disasm. 010 editor, structured binary editor. PEBear for PE file format exploration.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.